Дебютантски настап еве као тренер, прв тренер на Вардар. Кои се очекувањата од оваа сезона?
Yeah, it's gonna be a long and very difficult season, like always, like all the years, and also because our aims are to try to reach Final Four. So when you have that aim, that goal, that means that for sure you will have some difficult things, some difficult matches to try to get it.
Составот е поразличен од минатата година, колку тоа е предност, колку тоа ќе влијае на работата на вас као тренер во Вардар.
Yeah, for us now the most difficult aspect in this team is the defense. This is what we need to work. We need to find our better position in defense, our better system, and our better players in each position. No, because the defense from last 2-3 years, some players has left the team, and now we have to find how are we gonna work. In attack, I think we have the most of the players, and who came, they can make very good like the other things. So I think, and I hope we will not have some problems, but the defense is the most important aspect now and situation to work.
Го наследивте Раул Гонзалес. Ви даде ли некој совет пред да замине од Скопје?
I spoke with him last year, and during last 4 or 5 years I was speaking with him all the weeks, one day or something like that. How are you? How is the team? So he gave me a lot of information, but even before I was the coach. He always helped me. I will be speaking with him every week. Also, I think about Paris, about here, but okay. I wish him the best of the lucks, and I hope that we can make it good.
Скупе на местото на Лука Циндрич. Колку ќе биде поразлична играта во нападот?
I think all the fans, all the supporters will miss Cindric because he was making here great matches and he made great seasons. So I think all the players, teammates, and club wish him the best. But now he's in Kielce. I think Stas is a very good player. He can help us a lot in attack. And now just we have to find one place for him in defense, like he win or something like that. But Stas, I think, will help us a lot.
Прва сезона како главен тренер, има ли некој притисок пред почетокот на возбудувањето во Лига Шампиони?
Every time there are pressure. Not for be here in Vardar. I think every year when I was like a player, now and last season with the women team, we say pressure, but this is not. I think I cannot find the exact word in English. It's like we have to work. We have to work every day and try to make our best. This is the most important for a coach. Try to get the best of the players, the best of the club. We will go match by match. I was explaining to the players now that we have a very difficult Champions League. The group phase is going to be very, very difficult, but this is a long season. Okay, we have to get one very good eliminatory if we can and try to reach to pass the eliminatory.
Каде го гледате Вардар на крај на сезонава?
I will always wish to see Vardar in top. Okay, we will work first of all to get to pass the group phase. This is our first aim. After that, to be in the highest position as we can. After to pass either finals. After to try to pass quarterfinals and to reach Final Four. Okay, but first of all, step by step, day by day. We have a lot of matches, and it's difficult to think now about this Final Four or something like that.
Дали е затворен ростерот на Вардар за оваа сезона?
No, we need one more player. Our club is working on it. We are looking for one more player that can help us in defense. And now I think this is our weakest point. Okay, with this team, we have a good team, but we are not ready for a long season. We need one more player.
Има ли некој од младите играчи што до сега беа во по-малите категории да биде преферен?
We will try to work with one goalkeeper, one of the young goalkeeper, and also we will try to fix maybe one left back. I cannot say the name because I will not pronounce good, but we will try to watch the players how they are working, and if we can to bring two of them to the trainings to see how they improve, it will be okay. But it's difficult because these guys are in top. So for one player with 18, 19 years old to come and to training with them, I know that is difficult for them.
Lani
Okay.
беше